back to CARSJADE, where we keep things chill but thorough. Today we're diving into the 2026 BMW M2 CS, the firm's most extreme version of the G87 M2 coupe, with more power, less weight, and genuine track readiness. BMW has taken the already sharp M2 competition and turned up the dial. Brighter throttle response, stiffer chassis setup, and exclusive design elements all make the M2 CS feel like a rawer, more focused sports car. It's a driver's car through and through, without sacrificing usability. Visual cues shout performance: a carbon fiber ducktail trunk lid, spoilers, diffusers, and matte gold forged wheels shrink weight and boost aero. It sits slightly lower on widened fenders, deep splitter, and carbon mirror caps, clean and purposeful. Inside, sport seats in Alcantara and merino leather hold you tight through corners, with CS logos illuminated and harness ready. The center console and door panels feature carbon styling carried over portionally. A new 14.9-inch iDrive 9 display includes lap timer, G-force, shift indicator and telemetry to feed that track feeling. The M2 CS swaps in BMW's S58 twin-turbo 3.0L inline-6 tune to 523 horsepower and 479 lb-ft, delivered exclusively to the rear wheels via an 8-speed Steptronic automatic. No manual option here. It hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.6 to 3.7 seconds, thanks to 97 pounds of weight saved through carbon fenders, forged wheels, and carbon bucket seats. The top speed is electronically limited to 188 miles per hour. Track systems include recalibrated adaptive dampers, stiffer springs, fixed anti-roll bars, and a retuned M dynamic stability control system. BMW development driver Jörg Weidinger recently pushed the M2 CS around the Nordschleife in 7 minutes and 25.534 seconds, making it the first sub-7, 30 lap time for any compact car on that track, surpassing previous RS3, M3 CS, and earlier M2 times by a noticeable margin. BMW expects to build around 2,500 units globally. Production begins Q1 2026, with deliveries likely mid-2026. Base MSRP is $99,775. Most buyers add the optional $8,500 lightweight carbon package, bringing real-world cost close to $108,000. The 2026 BMW M2 CS is the pinnacle of M2 evolution so far. More powerful, more rigid, and more purposeful yet still approachable as a daily drive sports car. For fans of pure rear-wheel drive dynamics in a small footprint, it's hard to beat. That wraps up our cool, refined look at the 2026 BMW M2 CS. If you live for lightweight thrill and driver engagement in a compact machine, this one's worth bookmarking. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like, ring the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE for more car deep dives. Would you take the CS or stick with the competition version? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive sharp, stay smooth, and see you on the road.